The tree never asks for permission to grow. It doesn't question, is this the right time? Am I strong enough? It just grows. In drought, when everything is dry, it grows. In storms, when everything is breaking, it grows. In winter, when everything looks dead, it still grows. No complaints, no excuses. No overthinking. When the world gets harder, it doesn't stop. It sends its roots deeper, stronger, wider, unshakable. You have roots too. Go deeper.